Okay, so in this case, let's use this for example. Would this trigger a trade? Okay, so first of all, we're requiring the L1, L2 must be crossed in our direction. So the L1, L2, the L1 is below the L2. And since because it's a 5-minute reversal, we're talking about the 5-minute L1, L2. So this is the 5-minute lane. The L1 is below the L2. This condition is satisfied. If you have it set to false, you can have it set to false. What does that mean? It means the 1-minute boxes need to be below. So the crossover is the 1-minute boxes need to be below the 5-minute boxes. Okay, that's what that means. So if you have this set to false, it still means the 1-minute boxes must be below the 5-minute boxes. Okay, if you have it set to true, it actually doesn't really matter where the 1-minute boxes are. Okay, it really is using just the 5-minute crossover as its condition. Okay, and I did that for a reason, because sometimes if you require the cross here, the noise can sometimes getting a better entry. So if this hangs out here long enough, it could actually bring the 1-minute boxes above, which is a little tricky. But as long as your 1 is below the 2 and maybe you have a white zone collapse required, that's okay. That just means you're going to get a better entry closer to the high. The next one is require a 5-minute white zone collapse. We have it set to true. In this case, see, there's where the collapse is, so we're still in that collapse mode now. So that condition is actually true for this trade. This would trigger a trade in this situation.